In a world where silence reigned supreme, a tiny warbler found itself different. It had wings unlike any other, feathers that shimmered with the hues of 1,000 sunrises. The warbler, named Elysia, lived in a dense forest, where the trees stood tall and proud, their leaves whispering secrets to the wind. Elysia's vibrant wings caught the eye of every creature, but they also stirred envy and fear. One day, a large hawk circled overhead, its eyes fixed on the brilliant warbler. The forest trembled with the hawk's greed, and the other birds whispered of doom. Elysia, however, remained unfazed, her heart filled with courage and grace. The hawk swooped down, its talons outstretched. But as it neared, Elysia spread her wings wide, not in fear, but in defiance. The hawk was taken aback, the shimmering colors dazzling its eyes, and it soared away, defeated. The forest breathed a sigh of relief, and the other birds gathered around Elysia, awestruck by her bravery. They realized that Elysia's wings were not a curse, but a gift. A symbol of hope, a beacon of light in the darkest times. From that day forward, Elysia became a symbol of resilience and courage, inspiring every creature in the forest. Her vibrant wings continued to shimmer, a constant reminder that even the smallest and most different can make the greatest impact. And so, the story of the warbler spread far and wide, teaching all who heard it that it is our differences that make us unique, and it is our courage that makes us powerful. For in a world of silence, the warbler's wings sang a song of hope, a song that continues to echo through the forest to this day.